Welcome to Under 5, where you can get all your quick tips and tutorials in 5 minutes or less. I'm your host, Mila, and today we start our Intro to After Effects series. In this first segment, we will be going over the user interface. When you open After Effects for the first time and click to create a new project, you will be greeted with a screen that looks very similar to this. Today, we are going to go over what each of the major panels is for and how you might be using them in your compositions. The first panel we will discuss is the Project panel. This panel is located on the upper left side of the screen, and it is where all your imported media and assets are stored. This is also where you will find your compositions once you create them. You can also organize your media in this section by creating folders and subfolders. One thing that will always help you, no matter how much experience you have, is a well-organized project. Don't worry, we will go over the import and folder creation process in later videos. The Project panel, also referred to sometimes as the Project window, shares its location with the Effects Controls panel. In the Effects Controls panel, you would be able to find all the effects you are using throughout your project on different layers of footage inside your composition. As you start to build your comps out, you will find that you may need to toggle between these two windows. The next panel we will go over is the Timeline. Here, you will be able to add footage or assets to your compositions. The timeline is one of the places where you will be able to change attributes on your footage, such as scale or opacity, as well as adjust keyframes, masks, and overall clip length. And next, we move to the Composition panel. Here is where you will be able to view and adjust your work as you create it. The Composition panel, or Composition window, is going to be your main and most important visual tool for creating stunning graphics or visual effects. In this window, you will be able to click and drag assets around as well as adjust mask and roto shapes. Finally, in the upper right corner, you will find two additional groups of panels. The Info panel at the top, and below that, you will find the Properties, Effects, Presets, and Library panel. We will go over these panels and what you can do with them in later videos. Now, across the top left above the Project panel, you will find your toolbar. Here is where you can select what tools you want to use, be it the pen tool, the text tool, the paint tool, or any of the other options. And that about sums up the overview of the main panels you will interact with most inside of After Effects. One additional thing to note is that After Effects has different workspaces that you can explore. Just go to the Window menu, then Workspace. Feel free to click through these and see how After Effects adjusts your user interface depending on what workspace you choose. This video was made using the standard workspace. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more tips like these, check out the description below for links to other videos in this series. Don't forget to leave suggestions for new video ideas in the comments section, as well as clicking on those like and subscribe buttons. And go ahead, smash that bell to get new video updates. This has been Under 5. Under 5 is an IDH entertainment production. Should you ever find yourself in need of visual effects, graphics, editing, or compositing, we've got you covered. We offer a wide variety of pre- and post-production services that can be tailored to any budget or project. Check us out at idhentertainment.com or email us at info@idhentertainment.com.